Heatless curls are the best way to go, and it keeps your hair so much healthier. But sometimes sleeping in a bun makes it look funky. But I found a way to make it look like this when I woke up. What I do is I start with clean, semi-damp hair right before bed, and I put in the scrunchie. Then I divide the hair in two. So I keep the second part away while I work on the first one. What I do is I loop the hair around the scrunchie, all the way around the scrunchie. And my hair is very long. I've done this with different lengths of hair. My hair used to be shoulder lengths, and I did the same thing. As long as it could loop around, you can get this this look as well. And then I do the same thing for the second piece of the hair. And the curls actually look really, really pretty in the front when you take them out. When I take the bun out, for this video, my hair was mostly dry. This is the type of look I get if I put my hair in dry and wear it all day. But it's still a beautiful loose curl. And one of my favorite scrunchies to use is this blue one. It's really soft and small and makes tighter curls. This bun was slept in all night. My hair was damp when I went to bed, and I used that blue scrunchie, and the curls were much tighter, so I wrapped them around a little tighter this time around. And I gently take it out. It was really comfy to sleep in. Other heatless curl hacks are not as comfortable for me to sleep in as this one. I did try all kinds of different scrunchies, and you may find your favorite one for your favorite type of curl, so experiment. I just shake my hair out, run my fingers through it a little bit, and I'm left with these beautiful, shiny curls. And I could always add a little hairspray if I wanted to last a little bit longer. Next hair hack is our favorite Twisty Braid. As soon as your hair is brushed out, split it in two and cross it. And then grab the hair and twist it the opposite direction of each other. And cross it, twist it, and cross it, twist it, and cross it. My little girl's hair is very long, and this only takes 30 seconds in the morning, and she doesn't complain about me pulling it or it's hurting her. She's comfortable, and it lasts all day, and it's really cute. This is a fun slap bracelet bun, also really fast to do. You take two of them, make sure they flip up, and that's the way you want to finish your bun as well. So you put the hair in between, and I would say we go down to about halfway the length of her hair. I just pull it up gently, and then all I do is I twist inside, twist, 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 and some pieces will fall out, but you could just tuck them in later. So I turn it inward, and then I tuck the loose pieces in. And I do this a little bit better, but overall the bun is really cute, and if you're running out low on time, it's just the perfect little hair hack. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll keep on brainstorming on ideas like this.